How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today, as many of you know, the Ethereum merge has just taken place. This has changed the blockchain from proof of work over to proof of stake, making the blockchain itself 99.95% better for the environment, and will open up Ethereum to major scalability upgrades that'll make it faster and cheaper to use in the future. Travis has already done an absolutely amazing video on that, so if you haven't seen it yet, go check that out. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how the merge has affected Bitcoin, what we can expect from the biggest coin in the space right now, and where it could go next. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see a price prediction on that. Before we dive into the video, let's talk about the scalping trades real quick. As of right now, you can see right here, we are destroying the S&P 500 here. We are 440% above the S&P 500's gains in just 4 months. For those that don't know, the S&P 500 makes about 10% profit every single year. And again, we have hit 44% profit in just 4 months. That is 11% profit per month in just 11 trades here. So if you're wanting to join us, if you're wanting to see how we're managing to make these trades, even in a bear market, be sure to watch till the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how you can join and get these trade calls for yourself. So today I'm just going to jump straight into technical analysis. The Ethereum merge pretty much dominated the entire news space, so there isn't much to talk about with Bitcoin itself. But I am going to be talking about how the Ethereum merge did affect Bitcoin itself. So let's just dive straight into it. Right now, I'm on the TradeConfident.io website looking at Bitcoin USD with the top and bottom finder metric. This is where we're posting our 20 crypto and 20 stock charts every single day. So if you want to get access to those, again, wait till the end of the video. These were updated as of this morning, 9:15, and we got a sell signal the past couple of days right here, and that was a perfect call, and it immediately drops down, and we are back below this blue midline. This means we could be heading into a downtrend. Typically, if we stay below this blue line, we're in a downtrend, but if we stay above it, we're in an uptrend, as you can see right here. We are getting kind of close to this green support line here with a very, very small liquidity pool just posted within the last week. But we do still have room to move down. There's a strong support that I'll show a little bit more specifically when we get into the TradingView charts. But again, as you can see, we do have some room to move down. If we check right here, there is no bars posted, not even for the sell signal, even though it was a good sell signal. But we will be paying very, very close attention to this over the next few days as we see how the Ethereum merge plays out. Now, I do want to talk about Ethereum here just in case you haven't seen Travis's video yet. Again, if you haven't seen it, please go watch it. It is an excellent video and shows exactly where we think we're going to go next. But we did exactly what Ethereum thought we were going to do. We dropped. It was a buy the rumor, sell the news type instance, and within the last day, let's switch to the 4-hour chart here actually, just to get a little more specific. We officially broke out and closed outside of the massive, I'm talking gigantic, huge, look at this. It doesn't even fit in the chart. There we go. This enormous symmetrical triangle here. We finally broke out of it, and we are continuing to head down out of it right here. This is a huge red candle. This dropped. Let's see how much this dropped actually. So starting on September 15th at 1 a.m. right here, we could scroll down here. At its bottom, we hit 11% down. Now, I still don't think we have quite finished yet. I think at the very least, we're still going to drop to this $1,400 mark at the support structure right here. There's just such strong support. I think this is where we're going to head before this downtrend ends. But you're here for Bitcoin, so let's talk about Bitcoin and see how that little chart affects Bitcoin itself. So as you can see, Bitcoin did see a drop. It saw a drop at the same exact time as Ethereum did, albeit the candle was not as big. As of right now, it dropped from the candle so far at a maximum, dropped about 4% there, so not too crazy. But we did see that drop along with the rest of the market. You can kind of see in these charts here, it's hidden by my face, but really you can see that pretty much every single coin in the market is in the red. So do we think that this is going to continue? Yes, I do think that we are going to continue into a downtrend for some time. I think we could see a little bit of relief, but in the overall, I do think a downtrend is going to continue. Now, typically indicated moves here, like I said here, it looks like the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow have topped out for this small trend. Typically, indicated moves happen within 1 to 6 candles, so within probably the next week, we are going to see continued moves down, despite what the 4-hour chart here says. Again, 4-hour chart, both are very low in their areas and do have room to move up, but I don't think there's going to be any significant move up because of general bearish pressure in the market all around, and the fact that the 1-day chart does say that it has a lot of room to still move down. The price versus well money flow is beginning to move down very sharply, and I think that could bring us to the 18,870 mark, or as far down as 1,600 in this short-term move. Now, I do still think that the bottom for Bitcoin will be closer to $12,000. If you haven't seen that video, it is really important. I will link a video to that in the description. So there will be links to both Travis's Ethereum video for today talking about the merge and why I don't think we have hit the bottom yet for Bitcoin. 2 separate videos, highly, highly important. Highly suggest you watch those. But again, we are also maintaining the downward trend, the 2 downward resistance lines here that have started basically since the beginning of Bitcoin after it hit its all-time highs. The top line starting at the very all-time high, and the second line starting at right over here at the all-time high and just before that. But we can see that pretty much the entire time in this bear market, Bitcoin has respected these 2 lines, with occasionally trading within the channel, as we are right now. It happened back here and it's happening again. Let me zoom back in here. Overall though, what we're doing right now, we are watching this 18,800 line of support very, very closely. I think this is going to be our next target overall. And I will be looking for a buy signal to pop when that happens. Last time that happened, we saw the trend exhaustion just barely hit the bottom red section, and the price versus well money flow pretty much bottomed out too, right at about 35. Typically, we look for a value of about 30 just to make sure we're entering good trades, but it did hit 35 with the trend exhaustion bottoming out and then made a huge move up. So we are going to be looking for a buy signal right probably around this area, especially if the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow show low on their charts. And I think on the 4-hour time frame, we're going to be very close to a buy signal here too. Again, last time on the 4-hour time frame, we actually got a strong buy at the same place that the 1-day chart showed a regular buy. Trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow, again, were perfectly in their areas. We did just get the trend exhaustion at its bottom red section, and price versus well money flow were low as well. Again, it shot up like crazy, and I think it wouldn't be unreasonable to see at least a buy, if not a strong buy, on the 4-hour time frame once we reach 18,800. Just to summarize the whole video, the Ethereum merge took place last night, and it reacted exactly how we expected it to. The entire market saw a buy the rumors, sell the news type of deal. Ethereum dropped about 8% and is on its way down to $1,400 as we speak. As soon as it hits $1,400, I think Bitcoin's going to bottom out at about $18,800, which is a hugely strong support. But no matter what, across all the coins, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are looking for buy or strong buy signals from the TC top and bottom finder. On the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow, we saw really strong bearish sentiment on the 1-day time frame for Bitcoin, which further supports that $18,000 move. And on the 4-hour chart, there was a little bit of a move up indicated. So even if we do see a little bit of a move up, I think the 1-day is going to still crush it and bring us down to $18,800. With that, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. I'm going to show you right now how to grab these indicators for the best possible price. They are absolutely amazing, guys. Literally, we just got a testimony yesterday saying that within a few hours of purchasing the TC top and bottom finder along with the bundle pack, they were able to make up the whole amount, which is absolutely insane, guys. And that is just one of many traders that have done the same. Just really quickly, I just want to show these testimonies right here. Boom, right here. See, a great indicator. I made back the cost of the bundle and the top and bottom finder on a Bitcoin trade within 2 hours of purchasing and installing the indicator. That's absolutely insane. I'm a small fish. You've always been correct. I just made 120 USD following your signals. Signed up for the full website access 4 hours ago and I've already paid for it. And it's already paid for with $110 profit on a DOT buy. It's really helpful for a crypto dad. which is honestly awesome. We have clients of all different ages. It's so exciting to just see everyone up from their 20s all the way up to 50s and older. It's just so cool to see. Just everybody. Crypto's for everyone, guys. If you want to trade, if you want to get started with us, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If you want to begin trading with us, click the membership link in the description. It'll bring you to the page we're on right now. Start trading with us. What you're going to do first is click on the scalping record right here. It'll show you the spreadsheet that I showed you earlier in the video. Just a quick recap, we are beating the S&P 500 by 440%. The S&P 500 makes 10% on average every single year, but within just 4 months, we've managed to beat that by a huge, staggering 440%. This equates to 44% in those 4 months. We've made 11% profit per month in a bear market, which is just absolutely insane. The proof is in the pudding. Just click that link right there and you'll see it. From there, you're going to watch our strategy video. If you like what you see, you'll scroll down here, click grab a membership. It is $75 a month. It is such an amazing value. As you just saw in those testimonies, people tend to make that back super duper quickly. So pretty much every single month, your membership will be paid for with trades. Finally, you're going to join the Telegram. This is actually free for every single person now. It's not just a members only thing. So if you want to join our Telegram, get trade alerts and notifications. The info is still hidden behind a membership. So as a member, your membership value is preserved. But if you want to get those notifications for market updates and stuff like that, hit the link in the description for the Telegram channel. And finally, you'll watch the metric tutorial video just to see how everything works. Next, what you're going to want to do is head up to indicators right here, or again, just click the link in the description. This is how you're going to get the absolute best deal possible for these indicators. First, you're going to snag the bundle pack. This will give you 9 of our indicators. These are amazing indicators for just $399, super cheap. But the best part is it's going to give you a $400 coupon for the TC top and bottom finder right here. So you can get all of Trade Confidence indicators, all 11 of our absolutely amazing indicators, by far the best that we've seen in the crypto market so far, just $748. And as you saw, most of the time, traders are able to make this back super quickly. Typically within 1 to 3 trades, traders have already made back the value and continue on from there. It's all profit. Purchase of indicator gives you lifetime access for a one-time payment. It's not a monthly reoccurring like the membership is, and you get full dedicated email support. We are here to help. We want you guys to be making money, and we are wanting to do the same. So if you ever need any help, please reach out at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. With that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We're providing crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. So if you want to stay updated and grow as a trader, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell below to make sure you know when every single video comes out. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.